Welcome to Pioneery channel new video. Press the subscribe button and press bell icon button for not to miss next free updates notification. Tata Motors has revealed a premium hatchback concept at the Auto Expo 2018. This premium hatchback concept is called the Tata 45X aka X45 and it does look quite sharp. It is a futuristic looking concept with sharp lines and highly aerodynamic design. Especially the front of this concept car looks very sleek. The design also incorporates a very low slope front windshield which not only makes it very coupe but also very sporty and dynamic. The front of the Tata 45X looks very smart with a slim grille with LED headlamps and a separated DRL light strip running towards the middle of the car. There is also a hint of the lower grille which is visible at the lower mid-end of the front bumper. The looks quite wide to provide for large shoulder room. The fact that the Tata X45 appears to have a large wheelbase, low height, and small engine bay, it seems that this car is going to offer a spacious cabin just like the popular rival Maruti Baleno. This car will make its debut as a production vehicle in coming years and this concept just showcases what Tata has in mind for its upcoming small hatch. The 45X uses large wheels, pronounced wheel arches, strong body lines around the shoulder, blackened A and B pillars, sloping roof, and very dynamic design language. More to the rear and it looks like a car out of a science fiction movie. The scale LED tail lamps, black piano finished horizontal slat with chrome Tata logo in the middle, small but pronounced rear windshield, side sweeping tail lamps cluster etc. make it look very bold. There is also a dual tone scuff plate under the rear bumper which adds to the rugged character of this car. What are your thoughts about the Tata 45X? Do let us know in the comments below. Stay tuned with Pioneery channel for more updates from the 2018 Auto Expo.